Good morning everyone from Bali. After spending the last few weeks exploring the beautiful picturesque town of Amed, today we are heading inland to Sidemen.
And in today's video we're going to be showing you guys the most iconic thing that you can do here in Bali.
Staying in a bamboo villa. This is something that you have to do when you come to Bali, and the place we're going to take you to is absolutely stunning. So let's start the day with an amazing watermelon juice in our homestay and then hit the road. Ready?
Let's go! Ayo!
Hey, 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 these bikes are too big for them. Oh, there we go.
Right.
Okay.
Ayo!
Ayo!
So we've just stopped for some fuel. There's three options here in Bali. You can either go to a gas station, or you can stop on the side of the road at a little shop and they'll do it by the pump, or you could buy it out of a plastic bottle.
So we're about halfway into the journey, but it started raining, so we've stopped for lunch at this little place overlooking some of the best rice fields I've ever seen. Like seriously, this is so crazy. Look at this.
The heavens have officially opened, but I'm not complaining with a view like this.
No. Always on the day that we actually explore though, isn't it?
Yeah, in English we say sod's law. And that translates to, what are the chances that it hasn't rained in like a month, and the day that we come out, it rains.
Sod's law, I forgot about that. Oh my god, look at this baby. I got chap chai, which is like vegetables and meat, can be veggie, in kind of like a broth, and I love it, I always get it. And Sam got the classic nasi
goreng with egg. You can't go wrong.
Salamat makan.
Salamat makan.
The rain has subsided a little bit. It's time to hit the road again. 30 minutes to go. And I'm praying that this rain don't last the whole time we're there, because that would be so unlucky.
It will be.
But it is our luck, so yeah, let's go.
So both meals come to 45,000. We're now going to hit the road. We'll say goodbye to our cat. And we're just praying that the weather holds up.
As we're getting further into the mountains, it's getting really cold. Oh, and we didn't bring any jumpers or anything, so I really hope that it's not that cold tonight, otherwise we're just gonna have to snuggle up in a blanket. It looks like we're entering another parallel universe right now. It doesn't feel like we're in Bali. Look at the fog behind me, it's crazy. Oh my gosh, so it started raining so much, so we had to take cover for a little while. This 1 hour journey has taken us about 3.
My leg just got soaked. No.
We should rename this video The Journey from Hell.
Actually,
hell.
From hell to heaven.
What do you think? So cold. Anyway, we've arrived. Let's check in.
So we're just waiting to check in, and I'm going to show you guys. It's really cold. It's 25 degrees, but it's absolutely freezing.
Yeah.
And normally in vlogs we're moaning that it's too hot.
Oh, yeah.
Just can't
We're
win.
never happy, are we? We're British. But already this place is so stunning. We can't wait to check in and show you guys the room. Oh, and the blankets. And here we are. We have just checked into the Avatar house here at Magic Hills, and look at this view. Even on a rainy day is absolutely insane. Now I'm going to give you a little tour. Here we have an outdoor bathroom, and it is absolutely beautiful. It's made a flower arrangement for us in the shape of a heart. It's so romantic. And you can have a shower out here, which I cannot wait for because I'm freezing. And this is the upstairs bedroom. We've got the bed here with a mosquito net because everything's open. So you can literally feel all of the nature. It's crazy. And in the morning we get to wake up to this. Like, look how beautiful this is. And if you thought that was good, you have not seen the star of the show yet. Come on, let me show you. Look at it. I'm sorry, but how incredible is this? You can literally have a hot bath whilst looking at a view like this. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it in my life.
So it doesn't look like the rain is letting up, but look what I've prepared for us to chill on.
We haven't done anything since arriving. We've just been staring at the view because it's just so incredible. You cannot see the magnificence of this view through the camera, but it goes on for so long and it's just so green and so beautiful.
So we've just ordered dinner, guys, and from people that always eat at all wrongs, the prices seem a little bit steep, but when you have a view like this, it's worth it.
Totally worth it. Like a burger, for example, is like £5, which is not a lot.
That's not a lot at all.
That's for like a Wagyu beef burger as well.
Yeah.
The view is so amazing. It's not a wrong.
And it's so funny because in England, I hate the rain, but in Bali, it's like, it's got like a magic to it.
It has, because...
I know this place is called Magic Hills, and there's no pun intended, but there's something about it. I don't know what it is.
It's because all around you is so green, so you know it's necessary to make this beauty, and it just feels so good, and it's so heavy and powerful. Oh, absolute bliss.
I feel like I'm going to fall asleep.
We are. We're going to fall asleep.
They're going to wake us up with dinner.
I may have been naughty. We never drink wine, and we love wine, and what a place for it.
We also worked out that it's not exactly our 10-year anniversary, because that's next month, but we did start talking about July 10 years ago. So it's our talking anniversary. So let's celebrate.
Yeah, and our anniversary is on the 19th of August. When you watch this video, it'll be well past it because we have such a backlog of videos, but we'll be in Sumba at that time. And Sumba's like very remote, and we're staying in like this small homestay for 3 weeks, and we're not really gonna have anywhere to celebrate. So we're gonna do it now.
I think our food's arrived. Best time of the day. Apa kabar?
Baik, apa kabar?
Baik. It's looking good. Ria's ordered the gado-gado. There you go, my lovely.
Thank you. So gado-gado in Indonesia is a dish of just veggies and egg, and usually tempeh or tofu, but I don't know if it's here. Can't see, it's quite dark. And peanut sauce, the same sauce that you get on satay, and it's absolutely delicious. Oh, love it. And what did you get?
I went for the burger.
Yeah, naughty.
Classic Western behaviour. I'm not proud of it.
Anyway.
Yeah,
let's enjoy.
Tell you what, I could wake up to this view every single day. Honestly, it's incredible. Probably the best night's sleep I've ever had. We were listening to the sound of the rain, the nature, and that bed is like a cloud.
I completely agree. This bed is literally a dream. Let's go and have some brekkie.
So today for breakfast, we're sitting on the floor, Asian style.
And I've got nasi goreng, so I'm definitely Asian.
Enjoy.
Salam makan.
So you ready to tell our watchers who won at darts last night?
No.
Ria was giving it all the talk, and then as soon as we started playing, gave up. What's going on?
Don't talk to me.
And she was only standing about 2 inches away from the board.
I think it's because it was too dark. So we just finished our delicious breakfast, we got changed, and the staff come to clean our room, and they have made the bed look so pretty. And I realised that yesterday the curtains were closed, so I couldn't show you, but look at this, it's just so beautiful. I can't believe the whole thing is made of bamboo, and it's just structured so well. Look at this. So cute. And you get to wake up in the morning with this epic view. Unfortunately, it is still raining, so we're just gonna hang out here, play some games, chill out together, enjoy each other's company before the rain hopefully clears. Pray for us, please. So we've got a few games to choose from. Definitely not chess, sorry Sam. What else have we got? Oh, a poker set. I don't know how to play poker though. Monopoly, but then we'll literally be here for the next 5 days. Oh, Jenga, I like this. Should we play this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So it looks like we're the first ones to play this game because this villa actually only opened 5 days ago. So we're really lucky to be here and be one of the first. Well, the table is a bit wonky, so it might not be too accurate, but let's go. Oh, right. You're actually serious? I spent so much effort trying not to bloody get it everywhere.
You won. Took you some combos last night, see how you do.
I don't know if I can remember it though, ready? Was that right?
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah?
No.
No?
No.
I need the gloves, it hurts. Right, so it's 1
Yeah.
round.
Hook. Yeah, good.
Yeah. 2.
Straight.
Hook.
Hook, there we go.
So,
Good, but remember to turn your hips, yeah? Yeah.
ow. Ah!
Don't mess with Rhea, guys.
Fighter in the block.
If you feel like you want to leave a negative comment, you have to deal with this one.
Yeah. Oh my god, Sam, I'm gonna be sick. Sam, I'm gonna be sick. Sam, I'm gonna be sick.
Guys, we've witnessed a miracle. We have a blue sky. Just making everything 10 times better when the sun is out. This is why we left England, guys, to escape the rain.
Oh my goodness. Honestly, now the sun has come out, I cannot believe how incredible this place looks. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is literally a dream come true. You're probably wondering, how much does it cost to stay here? Well, on average, it's around £250 a night, which is really good value considering how much effort is gone into building this place. Like, every detail is perfect, isn't it?
It actually is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
even
like,
down to like the spoons.
yeah, the spoons are so nice, but everything's so nice. They've literally thought of everything.
Yeah.
And it's so aesthetic and just absolutely stunning.
It's just so peaceful. Like, you can probably see from the drone shots that there are other bamboo villas, but you couldn't tell. When you're staying in one, it feels like you're just alone in nature.
Yeah, it really does.
Honestly, incredible.
Oh.
And even with the rain. So we're going to order some dinner now and then relax and then maybe put a movie on the projector.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Or we could have a beer if we're working so hard. Come on, you. Let's enjoy this sunset. The sky's actually clear. I can't believe it. And I'm not sure if we're going to get colours, but we've got a clear sky.
It is much better than yesterday.
Yeah.
That's all I can say. Even if we don't get any colours, just the fact that I'm actually seeing any colour other than grey right now is a win.
This is such a vibe. I love it so much.
You see, Rhea got her way as well with the beers.
You did. I did.
Women. Back to Ahmed
You
tomorrow.
have to book a bamboo villa in Bali.
You have to do it once in your life. This is like a bucket list item, guys. You cannot come to Bali without staying in a bamboo villa.
Cannot.
It's like having a floating breakfast. You have to do it.
Yeah, and you can also get that here as well. So you could do 2 in 1.
We just woke up for sunrise, and honestly, guys, the view this morning was so beautiful. The mist going over the rice fields was just, oh, I could live here forever.
Sadly, our time is coming to an end.
Sad.
I don't want to leave.
It's been a crazy few days. Getting here was a bit
touch and go with the weather.
Oh, I'm so scared to go home today because
I know.
if those potholes are still full of rain, which I think they will be, it's so dangerous. And if you see our Hajong loop vlog, you will know that I am so scared on the back of a motorbike anyway. Gosh. But it will be alright.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
The Bali magic will look after us.
I think so.
In the next video, we are going to be traveling to Canggu and we're going to show you some good things to do there. So if you're interested, make sure you like, subscribe and comment down below, and we will see you in the next one.